guys, it's One Step One Dream with our first video. So this week I'm going to be listing 5 things that you can do during the Christmas holidays, since it's Christmas week. Number 1, you can stay home and watch movies all night long with your family. Number 2, you can make camping, go make a campfire, make a fire, tell stories, s'mores. Number 3, you guys can go ice skating. There's lots of places to go ice skating and it's really fun. Number 4, you can stay home and bake cookies, cupcakes, cake, whatever you want. And number 5, the most important thing you guys could ever do during the Christmas holidays is spend time with family and loved ones. So guys, that's it. It was a really short video, but Merry Christmas, have the best holidays ever, and I hope you guys get what you asked for, and don't forget to like and subscribe.